What's up, carpet cleaners? Let me ask you something. Have you been wanting to run Google ads for a long time and you look at it and feel confused and alone? Google ads wasn't built for us in mind. It was built for marketers, not cleaners. So you're staring at a screen wondering, where do I begin? That's why I created something brand new. Something that never been offered specifically for carpet cleaning companies. A step-by-step template that takes you exactly how to start your campaign the right way. I'm talking step 1, click this. Step 2, select that. Step 3, add this, and boom, you're live. This course removes all the guesswork. You'll get a proven template that's tailored for your type of business. The exact formula I used to get started and get results. So whether you've never touched Google ads before, or you're tried and you just want to stop wasting money, and I get it. Let's get your ads up and running today, the easy way. Listen guys, this will save you thousands upon thousands. Listen, if you're paying an SEO guy to do this for you, he's gonna charge you $1,000+ a month just to run your ads. That's not including the ad spend. So what I like about Google ads is you pay afterwards, right? So if you don't get any leads, get any clicks, you don't pay. A lot of people don't understand that. But like I said, you can pay another company to do this for you and pay $1,500 a month, okay? Or you can go ahead and get it from me for a fraction of the price and don't have to pay anybody. It's not that difficult, guys. I know they try to make it seem like rocket science, but really it's Google's doing all the work. Once you set the campaign, okay, Google sees activity, all right, and learns from it. It's doing all the work. So it gives you recommendations. You might click, okay, we can do that. And the longer your ad runs, the better it works. That's why when you hire an SEO company, they ask for a commitment. All right, usually 3 to 6 months. So, I mean, we're talking, $7,000? Anyway, click the link below and get enrolled now.